This is 10.5, volume of pyramids. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a prism with the same base and height. So the formula is volume equals 1/3 the area of the base. So remember that capital B means area of the base. And then H is the height. So example 1, find the volume of the pyramid with the given base area. So in this case, they gave us the area of the base. And so we are going to just plug that into our formula. So volume equals 1/3. The area of our base is 48, so times 48. And our height is 9. That's a 9. Sorry, guys. So we have 48 times 9, and then we divide it by 3. That's the same thing as multiplying by 1/3. So we get 144. So volume equals 144 millimeters cubed. And we put that cubed there because that shows us that we found the volume. So now I want you to try A and B on your own, and then you'll check your answers with mine.